Hello, hi. Good evening all. Now I am going to give a demonstration of Tributron's digital 12 lead ECG machine. So we have ECG machine here and we have the accessories come along with the machine. So we have this ECG connectors lead and we have clamp connectors and chest connectors in the box, and along with a user manual and a paper roll for the recording ECG graphs. So when we come to the machine, it comes with a power cord which we install here, and then here you can install the paper roll. So for that we need to remove this particular spring loader and then insert the paper roll into this particular machine, and then fix this here gently in the grooves, and then close the cap and pull the paper. Okay, and then we will be able to start the machine. So it's from Tributron. So using this machine is easy. So where we have 10 electrodes need to be connected. So here you can see on screen different graphs, like 12 graphs can be plotted. So using this particular cable, we will be connecting it onto the machine's right side. So once we connect the cables, to test this machine whether it's perfectly working or not, we have our defibrillator analyzer, which has like 10 connections can be connected over here, and we will be able to understand whether the machine is working perfectly or not. So now I've set the machine. Now here, once you see the screen, here you will be able to find different functionalities. The F1 notes the patient name, and F2 notes 25 mm per second, and F3 notes where like we can set these parameters, and F4 we can use for splitting the screen, and F5 where we can be able to configure the leads, and F6 where we can do the setup, and F4 for more functionalities. So let's set up the machine. Click F6. So you will be able to see print setup, auto analysis setup, communication setup, information setup, and other configurations. So this has a keyboard with quadri keypad where you can be able to input the functionalities. So on screen you can see the version of this machine. And now, yeah. So let's set the time and date. Let's press F1. So let's press 7, and it shows the date and time. Today's date we can set. So 2021. So here we can set 2021, and this one is 05, and today's date is 13. And we can choose 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So let's choose 24-hour format, and currently the time is 4:52. press F1 to confirm, and press F1 to confirm. So now the machine has been set with its time currently, and now here when we press F1 we can enter the patient data, where like first name, last name, age, date of birth, and sexuality of the person, and hospital name, department, and other items like body weight and height can be entered and confirmed. So let's enter it as AMTZ, IBSC, test 1. Age as 26, date of birth as 2012. So now to check this machine whether it's working or not, we have Rigel UniPlus 400 with us, where we can be able to set a simulation patient. So we will be having options here, like you can choose the waveforms and you can see whether these waveforms are being seen on the machine or not, or we can print and see. So now let's identify the cables. So here we have these connectors. We can connect to the matching connectors here. So LA connected to LA port, RA connected to RA port, and now this LL connected to LL port, and then RL connected to RL port. Similarly, we will have V1, V2, V3 ports we will be connecting. So now V5, V4, and V6, and V1. So once we connect, you can see on the screen right now it has been with normal sinus rhythm with a 60 BPM, and also it is, so the same values can be seen on the screen. So we can start recording. Once we click the start recording, the machine will start recording the data. And once the recording is done, it will automatically print the sorry. It was a mistake, so let's start again. So with the given values, so you can see here on the screen 60 BPM and 1 microvolt. The same has been recorded here on the screen on the printer. So you can see 60 BPM and 150. So 1.114 millivolts from these. So with this you can be able to perform the ECG using this digital 12-channel electrograph, cardiograph. So we will be So with this, the demo session has been completed. So we will be explaining in deep how we are going to understand this particular machine soon. Thank you.